Hello, in this video, I'll be showing you a new Odoo V19 improvement. As we all know, in prior versions, we need to enable the MTO route by archiving it from the inventory module. But now in V19, we can configure it right in the purchase configuration settings itself. So let's go ahead and see how that's done. We'll go to settings. And then all we simply need to do is either type in MTO, or you can find the inventory module, and find the same thing this way. So it doesn't matter how you get there, as long as you can find it. Then you can just enable this. So we'll go ahead and save. And then now when we go ahead and set up the product, for example, the routes, we can now have MTO enabled, right? So now you no longer have to dig for it. So I hope this video is helpful. If you do have any other questions, feel free to email us at info@sadaxis.com. Thank you. Bye.